Alright, so I just got this in the mail. LED pool light, 40 watt, 8 meter cable. And let's take a look. Here's a picture of people having fun in the pool with the lights. So I don't know if it's for a big pool. I mean, we've got a giant pool. But let's take a look inside and see what you get. All right, important, you do have one of these. Since you're dealing with electricity and water, it might be a really good idea to read this. So they have a number of different types of lights, and I'm not sure which one we got, but we're going to take a look and find out here in a second. So let's go ahead and set this to the side, and we'll look and see what we get with this. All right, so here, this looks like one of the LED lights. Let me see if pull it out of there. This says up, so apparently the light's got to go this way. It's got a little thing on it. And what's it say on the back here? 20 watt RGB color. Okay. And so this hooks to this right here, which is a lot of line. Let's see where the line goes. Goes to a transformer, one of these oh, look it. So they're both hooked to the same transformer. So this plugs in, all right? It has a transformer, which I believe would take it to 12 volt, I would think. I could be wrong on this. Let's see what it says. Power 40 watts. But we'll have to plug it in and take a look at it and see how it works. Apparently, these you glue on here like that. They're magnetic, and there's a little, if you look, see there's little holes here. So I'm assuming that this would go like that, and then this you would glue onto whatever wall you want to put it on, and in your pool, I guess, on the side of your pool. And then this end goes up, of course. Of course, it doesn't want to come off. But I'm going to leave this on for now because, you know, we want to know which end is up, and they want this end down. So this is how they want you to put it on there. So this you would glue on there, and then that just kind of sets in there like that. And then these go down. So, I mean, I would think I would have to do it this way because I got to have the cord coming out of the pool. It can't go into the pool, right? All right, so that's that. And pretty easy to figure out. And they give you some glue to do it with. It's glue elephant. I guess you could glue an elephant with this, apparently. But we're going to plug this thing in and see how it works. All right, so anyway, before you can use this thing, you've got to download the app. And so they've got a QR code here. So let's just go ahead. We'll get on there. We'll use our iPhone to get on the application. And of course, it's loading. It's taking a while. Ba-ching. So if you look on here, you'll see that's what the app looks like. And so I'm thinking that's it. So let's go ahead and hit that. All right, so now it's, you know, it's asking me to install it. So let's go ahead and install it. I'm going to click here. It's going to want my password. You guys don't get to see that. All right, so I'm in. I just have to wait for it to download. So I'm not going to bore you guys with that. We'll come back when it's in there. Okay, we're there. Let's open her up. Ba-ching. All right, so we just got to make sure our Bluetooth's on. Would you like to use Bluetooth? Yes, we would. Turn on Bluetooth to allow it connect. Okay, let's go to settings. Let's go to Bluetooth. And we're looking for other devices. I may have to plug it in for that to happen. You know what I mean? Because I don't have it plugged in. Let me plug it in. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in And I think that we could connect it to the application once we plug it in, right? So I'm just gonna come over here and we're just gonna put it right in there, right there. Bam, done. All right, I just plugged it in. Oh, look, it's already making crazy colors. All right, let's see if we get it. Here, let me show you. Check it out. So let's see if it finds it. Let's just take a look and see what this says. So we got to scan the QR code, which we did. Turn on the Bluetooth, make sure that the phone stays connected to the internet, yeah. And plug the light into an outlet. We did all that. And then back to the main interface, you can easily control all programs off of your phone. Well, right now, we're not getting anything. It's not coming up. It's trying to find it. Let's go ahead and we'll close this out and then we'll come back to it. Let's close everything out. Holy shit, I got so much stuff open on this. Let's go back to the app. Okay, here we are. We're on the app. Definitely. So it's working. Watch. So I can do the blue. I can do red. All right. I can do dark blue. I can do white. All right. Now, and you can, I guess you can even move it like this to make it even like darker. All right. So on here, you can change it. Watch. I can use this to make it brighter or lighter. Let's see if I put it right there, see how it changes. Let's go to red. Turns it all red. Let's go to green. Red. Blue. Purple. Ooh, that's bright. And that's just your regular. Classic. Okay, so that's interesting. So let's see if they do a style. It doesn't really do anything. How about adjust? So that's your adjust one. Oh, there's a mic. There's music that can play through these. Wow, that's interesting. Would like to access Apple Music. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's put a quick song on. Check that out. All right, let's go back to style. Let's see what we can do here. Let's go to yellow. Let's go to purple. Let's go to purple. So you can do three, look at this. Here's 3 color jumping change. All right, so you go to the style to get these different, here's a 7 color jumping stage. All right, here's the red gradual change. Let's do it like this so you guys can see it better. All right, so let's go to green gradual change, blue gradual change, yellow gradual change, cyan gradual change, purple gradual change, white gradual change, red green crossfade. I mean, there's a lot, right? Look at that. Strobing. I'm going crazy. So it has all the, here's flashes. Oh my God, let's go back here. Let's go here. Whew, that was freaking me out. All right, so let's go back here to adjust, and let's bring it down a little bit. So you can bring it down so it's not so bright. So anyway, yeah, that works pretty good. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this. And you know what? You don't really need to put it in your pool. I mean, you could use it like just outside. Just plug it in and tape, paste it on a couple walls, and you could, you've got a party, man. I mean, this would be good for, for if you've got a bunch of people over for a dance party, you could use this. It'd be awesome. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.